We're going to do the dishwasher, my sweetheart. Put that down. Can you open? And pull out the top one and we do the cutlery first. Just take the knives out. Put the rest on the bench. And then Annabelle is going to come and sort them. Come on. You sort them out for Mum. Oh. Good job. Where do the big knives go? Nice and gently. Good job. Teaspoon. Big knives. The big knives go in this one, don't they? Tongs? No, not that one. That one's dirty, sweetheart. Leave that one up there. Oh, let's go. Nice and gently. Oh. We close it. That's it. We push this one closed. And then we open this one. All right, so Mum helps you with these ones. Tough. Oh. Next. Pass them to Mum and Mum puts the glasses away. And the cups. Keep going. That's it. Keep going. What's next? Can you put that one in here? That's it. Keep going. Next. Keep going, sweetheart. Keep going. That one goes in here too, doesn't it? Yeah, we put it in nice and gently. And this one too. Come on. Set. Tough. In there. What's next? Keep going. Got to do your work, your jobs. Where does that go? You can put that away. Yes. You want that one first. Okay. Cups first. Next. Hey, come on. Focus. Yucky. Can you focus? Good job. Cup. That's it. You can put the bowls away. Where do they go? Yay! High five. That's one tray down. Okay. Close. We open this big one. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Annabelle, no. Leave that alone. You want to do this one? This tray. Thank you. Saucepans. Good job. Keep going. Yeah, come on. You can do it. Fry pan. What's next? Saucepan. That's better. Alright, what's next? What's next? This is a heavy one. A heavy one. I will help you with that one. Alright, can you put the chopping board away? Chopping board. That's it. Okay, now let's put the dirty dishes in here. So, have we got some cups to put in here? Put your cups in. Cups in. That. Yuck. Come on. Come on. Nice and gently. Gently. Annabelle, you need to be gentle. Gentle. Nice and gentle. Honestly, if she breaks something, it doesn't really matter. It can always be replaced. It's just a matter of letting her have a go. Keep going. Keep going. Where does that go? In the top? Can that go in the bin, please? In the bin. In the bin with your McDonald's cup. In the bin. In the bin. That's it. Yep. Cup. Cup. That's not right. Come on, put it up properly. That's it. Next one. Nice and gently. Good job. What else is in there? Can we do this? In the bin. That goes in the bin. No, that goes in the bin, darling. That's it. How about this bowl? Can you put this bowl in there as well? It's a mess. Grab the bowl. In here. In it goes. Okay. Push. And the door. Now, can you please wipe your mess that you made? Wipe it down. That's it, and all on here. You've made a mess. Yeah. Can we just wet it and clean it properly? Hang on. Annabelle, come on. Over here. Wipe it down. That's it, wipe. And over here, on the tap. And here. All right, high five. All finished. Good job.